Garlic is a versatile herb that has been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. While its benefits are not limited to any specific age group, there are several reasons why people over the age of 50 should include this in their diet for its health benefits, which we will share in today's video. 1. Control blood pressure. It's interesting that this common herb can help manage high blood pressure. In one study, researchers looked at how aged garlic extract could help people who were already taking medicine for high blood pressure but still had uncontrolled levels. The study, in the scientific journal Maturitas, included 50 people with hard-to-control blood pressure. They found that just taking 4 capsules of aged garlic extract, 960 milligrams, each day for 3 months, made the blood pressure go down by an average of 10 points. Another study from 2014 discovered that this herb has the potential to lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, similar to regular blood pressure medication. The study explains that certain compounds in the herb help open or widen blood vessels, leading to a reduction in blood pressure. While garlic is well known to control blood pressure, it has more health benefits you should know, so stay until the end of this video. 2. Protect against illness, including the common cold. Aged garlic extracts, also known as age, have lots of antioxidants. That's why people have used age as a home remedy to boost the immune system. Studies show that taking age can support a healthy immune system by boosting T cells, which are part of the body's natural defenses. In one study, people aged 21 to 50 either took fake supplements or 2.56 grams of age. The ones who took age had fewer respiratory and sinus issues, missed less work and school, and felt better overall compared to those who took the fake supplements. This suggests that age might strengthen the immune system and make symptoms less severe. So, including age in your immune-boosting supplements could help you stay healthier. 3. Potential cancer fighter. Allium vegetables, especially garlic and onions, and their sulfur compounds are thought to impact different stages of cancer development and influence various biological processes that affect cancer risk, according to a review in Cancer Prevention Research. The National Cancer Institute states, several studies suggest a link between eating more garlic and a lower risk of certain cancers, such as stomach, colon, esophagus, pancreas, and breast cancers. Regarding how garlic prevents cancer, the National Cancer Institute explains, garlic's protective effects may come from its ability to block cancer-causing substances, stop the activation of these substances, enhance DNA repair, reduce cell growth, or induce cell death. A French study with 345 breast cancer patients found that higher intake of garlic, onions, and fiber was linked to a significant reduction in breast cancer risk. Garlic has also been shown to positively impact pancreatic cancer, one of the most deadly forms. Research indicates that increased garlic consumption may lower the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. A study in the San Francisco Bay Area found a 54% lower risk of pancreatic cancer in people who ate more garlic and onions. The study also suggested that increasing overall vegetable and fruit intake may protect against pancreatic cancer. Garlic demonstrates promise in cancer treatment. Its sulfur compounds like DATS, DADS, azone, and S-allylmercaptocystine can cause cell cycle arrest and programmed cell death in cancer cells during laboratory experiments. Taking liquid garlic extract and S-allylcysteine orally has been reported to increase cancer cell death in animal models of oral cancer. Overall, garlic shows significant potential as a cancer-fighting food that should not be overlooked. 4. Diabetes. Garlic, a common herb, has been studied for its potential to help manage diabetes. Some compounds in garlic reduce high blood sugar levels in rats by improving their antioxidant status. These compounds also act as donors of hydrogen sulfide, which helps control type 2 diabetes. Several studies suggest that garlic may improve cholesterol levels and lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. Taking 300 milligrams of garlic supplements twice a day for 12 weeks improved cholesterol levels in diabetic patients. Combining garlic with a diabetes medication called metformin was also effective in managing cholesterol and blood sugar. However, not all studies agree. One study found that aged garlic extract didn't significantly affect insulin resistance in adults with type 2 diabetes when taken at 1,200 milligrams per day for 4 weeks. In another trial, a herbal medicine containing garlic at a dose of 750 milligrams 3 times a day for 12 weeks showed potential in managing diabetes by reducing fasting glucose levels. In simple terms, while some studies suggest that garlic may help manage diabetes by improving cholesterol and blood sugar levels, there are mixed findings, and more research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness in treating this condition. 5. Treat hair loss, alopecia. Researchers from Mazandaran University of Medical Sciences in Iran conducted a clinical trial to investigate a growing practice in Turkey, using garlic to treat baldness. The study focused on how applying garlic gel to the scalp twice a day for 3 months would impact individuals using corticosteroids for alopecia. Alopecia is a common autoimmune skin disease that results in hair loss on the scalp, face, and sometimes other areas of the body. While various treatments are available, there is currently no known cure. The study found that the use of the garlic gel significantly enhanced the effectiveness of topical corticosteroids in treating alopecia areata. Although the study did not directly test it, using garlic-infused coconut oil as a standalone treatment might be even more beneficial as a remedy for hair loss. This is because it reduces the risk of absorbing potentially harmful corticosteroids through the skin. 6. Fight cardiovascular disease. Currently, cardiovascular disease (CVD) is a major global cause of illness and death, leading to 17.3 million deaths annually. This number is expected to rise to over 23.6 million by 2030. Various risk factors contribute to CVD development, including type 2 diabetes, obesity, insulin resistance, high blood pressure, metabolic syndrome, and high levels of triglycerides and lipids in the blood. Research suggests that garlic can significantly reduce the risk of conditions such as atherosclerosis, hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, myocardial infarction, and ischemic stroke. This is attributed to the combined effects of its nutritional and phytochemical components. For instance, garlic has shown potential in preventing and treating atherosclerosis and myocardial infarction. A randomized trial using aged garlic extract reported a decrease in coronary atherosclerosis growth when 250 milligrams of aged garlic extract was taken daily for 12 months. Aged garlic extract also prevented the atherosclerosis process by enhancing microcirculation at a dose of 2,400 milligrams per day. Additionally, a garlic herbal preparation rich in isoflavonoids reduced atherosclerosis progression in postmenopausal women at a dose of 500 milligrams for 12 months. Other studies demonstrated that aged garlic extract, at varying doses, had positive effects on lipid levels, modifying markers of endothelial function and suppressing chronic inflammation. While experimental studies showed garlic's antiplatelet properties, a clinical trial suggested that garlic oil and tablets had limited impact on platelet aggregation. Some adverse effects were observed, including increased bleeding in some individuals. Attention is now focused on using garlic extract alongside oral anticoagulation therapy. A pilot study found that 5 milliliter of aged garlic extract twice daily appeared safe for patients with bleeding issues when combined with warfarin therapy. 7. May help fight bone disease. Osteoarthritis is a widespread degenerative joint disease that causes chronic and disabling pain. Adipocytokines, resistin, and pro-inflammatory markers play a specific role in its development. Taking a garlic supplement of 1,000 mg per day has been shown to relieve symptoms in overweight or obese women with knee osteoarthritis after 12 weeks of use. Additionally, the intake of a garlic tablet at 500 mg twice daily for 12 weeks demonstrated anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects by reducing resistin and TNF-alpha concentrations in the blood and alleviating pain severity in overweight or obese women with knee OA. In another study, a randomized clinical trial found that garlic tablets act as antioxidants in postmenopausal women with osteoporosis. After consuming 2 tablets, equivalent to 2 Gs of fresh garlic, per day for 12 months, there was a significant decrease in advanced oxidation protein products and plasma protein carbonyl levels, along with an increase in total antioxidant capacity, TAC. This suggests that garlic tablets may reduce oxidative stress and osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Furthermore, a correlation was observed between the administration of garlic tablets twice daily for 8 months and reduced pro-inflammatory cytokine activity, indicating that garlic may modulate cytokine production and decrease osteoporosis in postmenopausal women with osteoporosis. 8. May help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia that can take away a person's ability to think clearly, perform daily tasks, and even remember their own identity. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help the body defend itself against oxidative damage, which is linked to cognitive diseases like Alzheimer's. In Alzheimer's patients, there are often observed beta-amyloid peptide plaques in the central nervous system. These plaques lead to the production of reactive oxygen species and damage to nerve cells. A study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry discovered significant neuroprotective and neurorescue properties in aged garlic extract and its active compound SAC. The researchers suggest that the aged garlic extract, along with SAC, could be used in the development of future drugs to treat Alzheimer's disease. 9. May reduce blood clotting. Another benefit of garlic for heart health is its ability to reduce platelet stickiness and possess anti-clotting properties. These properties may help protect against atherosclerosis, a process where plaque buildup hardens and narrows the arteries. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute states that atherosclerosis raises the risk of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. However, it's important to note that relying solely on garlic is not enough to safeguard your arteries. The NHLBI recommends adopting a heart-healthy eating plan, engaging in regular exercise, managing your weight, and avoiding or quitting smoking as essential preventive measures for heart health. 10. May help you live longer. In a study from China in 2019, they found that older folks who ate garlic regularly lived longer than those who didn't eat it much. Another important thing is that garlic can help protect you from getting sick. Getting sick is a common reason why people, especially older folks or those with weaker immune systems, might not live as long. While garlic is proven to provide a lot of health benefits for ages 50 and up, did you know that there is an herb that is much more potent than garlic? I'm talking about turmeric, along with its health benefits for people ages 50 and up, which you can check out here.